So we have Joe Man from Lawnmowers. How did your game go today?
Pretty good. Happy how it went. Unfortunately, we lost on pens, 3-1. But pretty happy how we went. We were 2-0 down, and yeah, about 15 or about 12 minutes to go, we managed to fight back 2. So pretty happy that we did that with not a lot to go, and then yeah, we made it to the pens. But unfortunately, they buried all of them. We missed one of them. So credit to them. It's a very close match. Happy how they did it with how we did.
Great to hear. Hope to see you next season.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So we have Sherpa FC here. How did your game go today?
Awesome! It was awesome, yeah. We started really well. We're leading 2-0, and right at the end we conceded 2, but in the tiebreaker we won again. Like, it was a good team spirit.
Yeah, credit goes to team.
Yeah, yes, team won it. So yeah.
And our goalie.
Yep.
Great to hear.
Yep.
Only Korean here.
Hope to see you guys next season.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Go
Yeah.